Now we got a TPE on the Anycubic Cobra. It's also the coax. There it is. This stuff is awesome. Check it out. We're doing a light relocate, so stay tuned. We will be back. And there it is, the Anycubic Cobra TPE. Coax TPE 40D. Just goes to show, if you slow down, I mean, it's not the best, but I mean, it works for sure. There it is. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so if you guys are looking for the elastic material, there it is. Also, if you need any help with, I call it rubber, but please just ask, because you know, I see a lot of people blaming it on the material and the manufacturer and all that good stuff, but you gotta really slow down your print speed for rubber. So with that being said, stay tuned. We got we did the Bambu lab with TPE, TPU. We did, and their S1 down right now waiting for parts. We did the FL Sun. That was surprising to do TPE. TPE is super soft. Then the Anycubic. We got a couple more left, but man, does it work good. Stay tuned, we will be back. We got the mods coming really soon. Flashy colors. Like, subscribe.